So this is my 2012 Honda CR-V. I went on a 2500 kilometers trip, and what I found after like 1500 kilometers, I found that there is no engine oil left, and I was noticing the same thing from last service, that there is no engine oil. So I searched it on YouTube what was the issue, because there are no signs of engine burning oil. Like spark plugs were really good, and the silencer was black but not greasy, so there was some problem. But the pistons are in good condition, I knew that. So Scotty Kilmer told me that this is the problem, so now I'm going to fix that issue today, and let's see what happens. So guys, I'm going to change the PCV valve in the 2012 Honda CR-V. Its location is right over here. You can see this alternator, it's over here, and this is the pipe over here that connects on it. I took it out. You can see its condition. It's all burnt out, but it's making noise. I'm going to use the old washer on the new one and going to put it back there. You can see this new PCV valve over here. I will put this hose back on there. It's easy. Now just grab a plier and put that clamp on. You can see I have put that clamp back on.